Well, good morning, everyone. As you can tell, the sun is just coming up. Oh, we got the Camaro warming up. That's always fun. So it's coming up. I'm out at the job site. Obviously, it's very early in the morning, but hey, it's the way I roll. So we're looking at the concrete. It rained pretty well last night. You can see by the puddles here. That's generally a good marker that we had good rain. One thing about the Midwest is that, I assume it's like everywhere in the world, it's been a while since I've lived everywhere else. You can have rain in one area and 2 miles later, no rain at all. So I just thought I'd do a quick little survey. It's looking pretty good. Here is the tornado room. Yeah, it's got a nice floor. Master bedroom. It's got a nice floor. So just recording the progress on the house. I'm happy with it, but I'm dumb, fat, and happy, so I think I'll be happy with anything. I don't see any gross, obvious problems. And this was the last area that was poured yesterday, and it clearly had enough time to dry before it rained, because it rained somewhere after 10 o'clock. I was already hanging out at home. This is where the drain is for the garage. Now, I do wonder if, I thought I had insulation, this blue stuff all along here. I don't know if it was cut out for the wood. Might have been. I guess that's something I'll have to review old videos for. But I suspect it was cut out in order to have their support. I'm not sure why, but I know it's a good reason. It'll be easy enough to put the insulation back. But it's kind of fun to see what's going on. This obviously area will be poured, and I assume the porch will be poured. Like I've noticed and said before, it takes a while to do some of this stuff. I think the final finishing is a lot of work. I have been told, and I do not know if it's true, that you see the fine little lines here, that they will actually take some sort of grinding machine and come over and smooth it out. I'll see what happens. It would be nice. I'm not sure I remember seeing these kind of lines in concrete floors before. You can sort of see a curve there and a curve there. And so it's looking good. The house looks really small to me, even though it's 4,000 square feet. Every time I look at it, I go, oh God, it's so small. But I know it isn't. You know, bedrooms don't have to be the size of living rooms in my world. I do have some friends that have bedrooms that are clearly the size of this whole area. I simply don't know the purpose for that. I don't know about you, but I do just a few well-defined activities in the bedroom. Sleep. Sometimes you're sick. Sometimes you get to have intimate relationships. So and occasionally you watch TV and read books. Doesn't require a lot of space. And so it appears that obviously, since they're leaving their equipment here, they understand how safe the neighborhood is. And it is a very, very safe neighborhood. So you can leave stuff like wheelbarrows, the vibrator, all this equipment, and understand that it will be there in the morning. I have in the past, when my old house was here, left the garage door open for days at a time. I've gone off on a trip, come back and said, oh gosh, the garage door is open. I wonder if there's been some sort of burglary. Yeah, no, not in this neighborhood. It just doesn't happen. So I hope everybody's having a good day. I will come back and watch them pour, hopefully the last parts. Life is wonderful. Life is good. I hope everybody's having a good day. So I'll talk to you later. Bye.